Mama.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, right now.
Right now, let's put it out. Let's take a picture. Wow, it's perfect for you. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlotta. If you're new here, do hit the subscribe if you like this video. I am gonna share with you how I made this t-shirt for one of my art kids who turned 3 years old. And this is a drawing that he made, and he's been working on drawing the face. So he was super proud of himself once he succeeded, and I thought, why not make a t-shirt out of it? So I thought to share this with you guys because maybe you know someone who is very skilled at drawing or painting, and maybe they don't value their own artworks enough. So seeing it on a t-shirt might be a fun idea for their birthdays or Christmas or some other celebration. So yeah, this is how it turned out, from a simple drawing to a t-shirt design. Super easy. Check it out. As you guys know, I run art classes in London, and tomorrow is one of my art kids' 3rd birthday. So for his birthday, I ordered him this costume-made t-shirt design. And because he's now turning 3, we've been practicing drawing faces and people for quite a while now. He finally learned how to do that all by himself, and he was so proud. So I decided to add that to the t-shirt. Now let's open this package up and see how it turned out. The whole packaging is without plastic. So in one of the classes, he drew himself and his sister, and this turned out great. I love the print and I love how vibrant the colors are. So this is looking fantastic. Can't wait to give this to him tomorrow and see if he will like it. I think he will, because he was so proud of himself when he was holding the marker. He went from holding it like this in a fist to holding it with his fingers, and then he started to draw these really defined lines and knowing where to put the eyes, where to put the mouth. And now he's even, this was a couple of weeks ago, but now he's also drawing hands and legs, ears, hair, and the nose. So he is developing super fast, and I can't wait to give him this one because he's so proud of himself. He's doing super well. Anyways, let's put this back in the package and bring it to Edward tomorrow. I think he will love this print, by the way, this one as well, with all the sea creatures and whatnot. Maybe he wants to color this one in. Anyways, that was it. What's inside? Put your hand all the way till the end. Can you find it?
No.
Here, all the way here. What is it? Take it out.
My new pajama.
Open it, see what it is. What's on it? What's the picture? What is it? It's Edward and Maya. And who drew this one?
Pajama.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, right now.
Right now, let's put it out. Let's take a picture. Wow, it's perfect for you. You like it? Yeah? Happy birthday, Edward! Look, you're here on the tummy. Wow, so cool. So in the original drawing, he also drew a house and a car, and there was a little bit more details in the picture. So I decided to declutter and just leave the 2 faces and make a really clear design for his t-shirt. And I think it turned out quite well. So I took a picture of his drawing, and then I upped the brightness and the black tone to make the lines really clear. And then, yeah, I cut it out and got it into the size I wanted. And I think it turned out quite cool. What do you think? I first heard of this idea from my friend Simone Alana. I'll link her channel below. She was gonna do this for her son as well and print his drawing on a t-shirt. So Simone, if you do that, do share it with us, and I would love to see how yours turned out. And also, you might have seen this in one of the lives that I shared before. I'm gonna print this one on a t-shirt as well, a top, and see how that turns out. But hey, thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I hope you got some ideas out of this video, and yeah, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Bye bye bye. Cool. You like it?
Yeah. Oh, wait, there.
What's in the paper? Look. What's that? Here? What is it? A fish. What does the fish say? And an octopus?
Yeah. Oh.
What else is here?
Oh.
Can you find a squid? Oh, there's a star.
Me?
Yeah.
Where's seaweed?
Seaweed? Yeah.
Seaweed.
That looks like a swordfish, maybe?
Oh, the shark.
A shark?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.